straight like Pride and Joy, the 7th fret of the high E, and middle finger on the 8th fret of the B. Just added my ring finger to the 9th fret of the high E, but that's like straight like Pride and Joy. This is a run in the key of E, so any kind of E blues, and it goes like this: the open E, and then index finger on the 3rd fret. And this is just another way to play the E blues scale: open, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now you can also skip that blues note that's the 6th fret and go. But that blues note's where you get. So we have 0, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we have an awesome blues box right here. 5, 7 on the A and 5, 7 on the D. Now I recommend learning it in little doses, like in other words go. Okay, I got that. And then keep adding little pieces. So this little, even just what we covered right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little notes there. Some of the most classic rock riffs and blues riffs of all time are written right in that little zone, especially if you add like, you know, an E7 chord right here, or an E7 sharp 9 Hendrix.